Ladies and gentlemen, the regular session of the Sangguniang Panglungsod is about to commence. Everyone, please rise.
As the elected City Vice Mayor and the presiding officer, this 36th regular session is now called to order. Roll call, please.
The members of the Sangguniang Panglungsod, Honorable Michael Gerard T. Morada, Honorable Galileo P. Angeles, Honorable Jennifer Spaiti Toledo, Honorable Oscar M. Gozos II, Honorable Rio Nicole H. Ronquillo, Honorable Venice D. Manalo, Honorable Miguel P. Lina III, Honorable Merlo P. Silva, Honorable Avior R. Rocafort, Honorable Ralph Peter S. O'Malley, Honorable Aris D. Macala, Honorable Percival V. Lojo, Honorable Emmanuel T. Recto, Honorable John Paulo N. Macala, and the presiding officer, Honorable City Vice Mayor Camille Angeline M. Lopez.
Do we have a quorum?
Yes, we have a quorum.
May I request the Honorable John Paulo Macala for the leading of the invocation and the singing of the national anthem.
Let us all remember that we are in the most holy presence of God, Father, Son. Lord, salamat po sa panibagong araw na kami ay binayaan ninyo at nagkatipon-tipon po ulit kami sa bulwagang ito para gumawa ng mga bagay na makabuluhan para sa syudad. At ingatan niyo po kami at ang aming mga mahal sa buhay. Patawaran niyo po kami sa aming mga pagkakasala at mahaba pa po ang aming araw, gabayan niyo po kami. Maraming salamat po. Sa ngalan ng Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Ilagay po natin ang ating kanang kamay sa kaliwang bahagi ng ating dibdib at sumabay sa pag-awit ng pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. So before po tayo mag-privilege, may I request Honorable Venice Manalo for the suspension of the rules to accommodate our guests.
Good morning po, Madam Chair, to my fellow councilors at sa lahat po ng ating bisita na naririto ngayon. Madam Chair, may I request po for the suspension of the rules as we have here to recognize Mr. Meljon M. Carcido, who will be joining Mr. Runway Model Universe in Istanbul, Turkey, this coming October 10 to 15, 2023.
Duly seconded, rule suspended.
Thank you po. Mr. Meljon, you have the floor po to give us a little background or information about your upcoming competition po.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Meljon Madronio Carcido, all the way from Sabang Lipa City, Batangas. So I am honored to be one of the representative of the Philippines as Mr. Runway Model Universe, which will be held at Istanbul, Turkey, this coming October 10th, 15. And my flight will be on October 7, this coming Saturday. So it's my privilege, it's a great privilege to be a proudly Batangueño, to be a representative of the Philippines nga po. Thank you po.
Attorney, may question po kayo? Wala naman po. Bakit pag babae?
Ayan. Ano ba ang tungkol saan ba itong lalabanan mong ito?
This pageant is different po among different pageants po in the Philippines. This is a runway model po, which
Parang
means...
model.
Exactly.
Iba pa to sa mga Mr. something, ano?
Yeah, this is not common pageant po. The competition will be more on photo shoots and more on runway shows po.
Photo shoots and
Runway shows po.
runway, yung magrampa.
Exactly po, exactly.
Okay. So, ilan kayong mag-represent ng ano? Ako ba, representative ka ng Pilipinas o representative ka ng Lipa?
Bonus na po yung LIPA, but I represent Philippines.
Philippines. Ilan kayo sa Philippines na pupunta ron?
Isa pong babae from QC, and ako po yung lalaki po.
Dalawa lang kayo sa Pilipinas?
Yes po, yes po.
Anong pangalan ng babae sa QC?
Zilani Rojas po.
Diyan. Ilang taon ka na ba?
26 years old.
26. Yung kasama mo, ilang taon na rin yan?
She's just 20 years old po.
Okay. Paano kayo pinili to represent the Philippines? Paano kayo pinili?
We conduct a pageant po last August, which we held at Pasig po, Tanghalang Pasigueño. So we compete po sa pageant na yun. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao po yung mga candidates. So
kayong dalawa ang napili dun sa ano yun?
Yes po. We won po as Mr. and
Parang
Miss.
nakita ko meron kang post na na nanalo ka sa Pasig, no?
Yes po.
Hindi, nakita ko. Kaibigan ko mga to, family friend ko mga to. Kaya ano. So, noong araw nag-model din ako kasi sa Kumbantrin nga ako, Kumbantrin, nag-ano ako sa ano. So, congratulations ha. And anong support ang ano ba ngayon?
Yeah, I just want to ask for a little support lang po for my flight and visa po. So, all the expenses naman po is paid by the organization, which is the hotel accommodation, all expenses.
Yung sa aeroplano mo, sagutin ng organization.
Yes po, on the...
So, sa'yo ngayon, para yung konting allowance or pocket money.
Yes po.
Walang problema si Binis. So, magkano binigay ni Binis?
Wala ka naman.
Hindi pwedeng mahinaan si Binis Okay, congratulations ha. Congratulations. And mamaya magparating kami ng konting tulong.
Thank you so much po. It's an honor po.
Thank you and good luck sa competition and you make Lipa proud. Ayan.
Thank you, Paris.
Again, thank you and all the best. Session resumes. Privilege. Privilege po. Wala po magpe-privilege. Honorable Junjun Gosos, you are recognized.
Congratulations po kay Attorney Gali. Dahil nga ngayon ko po nakitang nagabot ng sobre. Madam Chair, ang privilege speech ko po ay regarding po doon po sa binabaha po sa Barangay Marawoy, sa Purok 4 po na malapit po sa Robinson's Land. Actually po, ito po ay may almost 2 years na po namin inaayos. At pumayag na po ang Robinson's Land na i-donate po yung portion ng kanilang property sa city government o sa Barangay Marawoy para po magawan po ng kanal yung pong binabahang portion po ng Purok 4 sa Barangay Marawoy. So meron po din, kaya po nag-request din po sila sa atin na maaprubahan din po ang deed of donation ng property. And kasama rin po sana yun daw pong alteration ng kanilang subdivision doon. So please refer na lamang po sa tamang komitiba.
Matter brought up is referred to the Committee on Land Use.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you. Any other privilege? Honorable Spy Toledo, you are recognized.
Madam Chair, good morning po at sa atin po mga kasamaan. Madam Chair, nais ko lamang pong magpasalamat sa atin pong city disaster at saka po nais ko lang po magpasalamat, Madam Chair, sa ating city disaster, CPOS, Red Cross, sa Barangay Bulbok at Barangay Sampaguita po, Madam Chair. Dahil po noong Sunday po or Saturday po, ano nga ba? Sunday na madaling araw po, ay meron po tayong na-witness na aksidente doon po sa Barangay Bulbok at Sampaguita. Magkasunod po na aksidente. Nais ko lamang po, Madam Chair, na gamitin yung pagkakataon na pasalamatan po ang mga agencies po na ito na witness po natin kung gaano po sila kabilis rumisponde sa ating mga kababayan. At pasalamatan din po dahil hindi po nila iniwan at binabayaan po yung ating mga kababayan na naaksidente po mula po sa Barangay Rizal at saka po Barangay Quezon. So yun lamang po, Madam Chair. Gusto ko lamang po gamitin yung pagkakataon na pasalamatan po muli ang ating City Disaster, ang Red Cross, ang SIPOS, Barangay Sampaguita at Barangay Bulbok, Madam Chair. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you. Wala na pong privilege. We now proceed with the reading of the minutes of the preceding session and approval of the same. Honorable Attorney Gali Angeles, you are recognized.
Good morning, Madam Chair. I respectfully move to dispense with the reading of the minutes and the approval of the September 20, 2023 regular session.
Seconded by Honorable Umali Makala Loho Manalo. Discussion, objection, hearing none, the motion is hereby approved.
In addition, Madam Chair, I respectfully move to hold in abeyance the approval of the September 27, 2023 regular session for the reason that the same is not yet available.
Any second? Seconded by Honorable Manalo, Loho, Umali, Makala, Ronquillo. Discussion, objection, hearing none, the motion is hereby approved.
Thank you, Madam
Thank you, Attorney. Proposed ordinances and resolutions for second reading. Honorable Spy Toledo, you are recognized.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I respectfully move to dispense the committee report Accredit 2023-005 for second reading, Madam Chair.
Any second? Seconded by Honorable Manalo, Umali, Makala, Loho, Lina, Ronquillo. Discussion, objection, hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the second reading. Honorable Junjun Gosos, you are recognized.
Madam Chair, I would like to request that we dispense the reading of Committee Report on Housing 2023-060 from A to I, and the same be approved for second reading.
Any second? Seconded by Honorable Umali, Makala. Discussion? Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the second reading.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Business for the day.
Business for the day. Number 1, letter of the City Mayor requesting for the augmentation of the amount of 15,950 pesos to augment insufficient fund for repairs and maintenance, machinery and equipment of the City Assessor's Office.
Refer to the Committee on Appropriations.
Number 2, letter of the City Mayor requesting for the augmentation of 84,000 pesos to augment insufficient fund for fuel, oil, and lubricant expenses of the City Agriculturist Office.
Refer to the Committee on Appropriations.
Number 3, reclassification request of Orlando de Rojas of the 350 square meter parcel of property located at Barangay Lumbang, Lipa City.
Refer to the Committee on Land Use.
Number 4, reclassification request of Maria Socorro Mison of the 107.16 square meter portion of property located at Barangay Duhatan, Lipa City.
Refer to the Committee on Land Use.
Number 5, reclassification request of Myrtle Yasmin Kabatkan of 500 square meter parcel of property located at Barangay Tipacan, Lipa City.
Refer to the Committee on Land Use.
Number 6, reclassification request of Edison Garcia of the 180 square meter parcel of property located at Barangay Tambo, Lipa City.
Refer to the Committee on Land Use.
Number 7, reclassification request of Vitaliano Tolentino and Lucita Tolentino of the 524 square meter parcel of property located at Barangay Maraoy, Lipa City.
Refer to the Committee on Land Use.
Number 8, reclassification request of Christian Abesia of the 120 square meter portion of property located at Barangay Malagonlong, Lipa City.
Refer to the Committee on Land Use.
Number 9, letter of the City Mayor forwarding the request of Christian Abesia for the issuance of special use permit for the proposed warehouse located at Barangay Malagonlong, Lipa City.
Refer to the Committee on Land Use.
Number 10, supplemental budget number 1 for the budget year 2023 of the Sangguniang Kabataan of Barangay Malagonlong, Lipa City in the amount of 50,000 pesos.
Refer to the Committee on Appropriations.
Number 11, letter of the Punong Barangay of 9A Honorable Angelina D. Malieta endorsing to the August Body Kautosang Pamuwisan 2023-001.
Refer to the Committee on Barangay Affairs. Resolutions and ordinances for the third and final reading. Honorable Spy Toledo, you are recognized.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I respectfully move for the passage of a resolution accrediting Lipa City Cooperative Development Council, Crime Watch Force, Santo Toribio Farmers Agriculture Cooperative, and Batangas Guardians Brotherhood Incorporated as civil society organizations in Lipa for third and final reading, Madam Chair.
Jointly moved by Honorable Silva Ronquillo Loho Manalo, seconded by Honorable Lina Makala Umali. Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading. Honorable Jujun Gosos, you are recognized.
Madam Chair, I would like to request that we approve for third and final reading Committee Report on Housing 2023-060 from A to I.
Any second? Second, jointly moved by Honorable Silva. Jointly moved as well by Honorable Loho. Seconded by Honorable Makala Umali. Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading.
Other matters, Madam Chair.
What is it?
Recess for 1 minute.
I'm declaring a recess. Session resumes.
Madam Chair, other matters po, please refer po sa proper committee the request of Mr. Victor Morada for the reclassification of their property from residential to commercial use with an area of 300 square meters located po at Barangay Munting Pulo.
Refer to the Committee on Land Use.
Madam Chair, motion for urgency po with regards to that matter.
Any second? Seconded. Duly seconded. Discussion. Objection. Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for urgency.
Madam Chair, would like to request an ordinance classifying the property of Mr. Victor Morada from ang residential to commercial use with an area of 300 square meters located po at Barangay Munting Pulo. And the same be excused from the three reading principle and approved for third and final reading.
Jointly moved by Honorable Silva, seconded by Honorable Umali, Ronquillo, Lina, Loho, Toledo. Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading.
Thank you, Madam Chair. May pabigmak daw po si Mikey Vicesang Abiliases. Madam Chair, motion to adjourn.
Wala na further announcements? Are you sure? Okay, there is a motion for adjournment. Any second? The second session is now adjourned. Thank you so much.